The next meal is chicken curry. I've got my onions frying in some butter. Then when those are softened, we'll get my chicken put in. Okay, I got my chicken all cooked, my onions cooked, and now I'm going to make my sauce. By the way, this is way more chicken than this is going to only be our dinner today, but this is left over because Mike wanted extra chicken for lunches, and if he doesn't eat it for lunches, then it's pre-cooked for the next meal. Okay, I got my onions back in there. And my tomatoes, and I did the ones with chili, and my coconut milk, my seasoned salt, sprinkle cayenne pepper. Now, I am probably not following this recipe exactly. I'm just kind of throwing stuff in. Garlic. My curry. Normally I cut up my chicken, but I'm tired today, so I figured everybody can cut their own chicken. Okay, and we're gonna let this simmer and let all the flavors come together. Yum. All right, there we have it. Yum. Jack, you want to grab a plate?
Ooh, sure.
Nuke some rice. We have leftover rice. I am eating mine in a bowl because I have to be grain-free for a while. This recipe is in our Dining on a Dime cookbook, volume 2, on page 247. Right here. Oh, yum.
That's so delicious. A whole lot of rice.
Leftover rice. Oops. Is Dad not going to have any rice?
Uh-oh.
Oh dear. Do I have to make Dad rice now?
Maybe.
Okay, I can do that for him. And then we nuke it in the microwave.
This marvel of modern technology here. Just put your food in, 30 seconds.
This is Star Trek material, isn't it? Or something like that.
Yeah.
Are we there?
And then,
Oh, yes.
then you take it out.
Wow, it's warm. Okay, El piece of chicken. I was going to let everyone cut their own chicken because I'm tired. And, oh, you're cutting it now? You're using your fingers? Shh. It's your food. You can use your big toes if you want.
You know,
That would be gross.
that would be very gross. There we go. God give us fingers, or if he didn't want us to use them.
This is true. What dost thou thinkest? Okay, there we go. I'll let Dad be the taste. Oh, you're gonna be the taste tester. Is it too hot? Ooh. Don't burn your mouth. What dost thou thinkest?
Oh, very hot, but that's very good.
Now you need some ice for your mouth.
Mm-hmm.